Hello everybody, welcome back to Vipra Gaming. Today we are going to play more battles at the Serenity Peak. But before that we have some chests to open. We have the 3 silver chests and a golden chest and some trophy road collection as well. So we have to claim 2 rewards from the trophy road. Not any good card yet but the elite barbs. E-barbs I'll call them. Or elite barbarians. That's a good card. That's the best card we've got from the silver chests. Oh, lot of arrows. Close to level 12 now, the arrows. We have a fistful of gems that helps a lot. Those gems. What should we choose? Yeah, let's go for the Elixir Golem. Much better card. Okay, gold. This is a lot precious for us now because we need to upgrade many cards still. We have not used the Book of Books yet. Still, it's most probably going to go to the Mega Knight, but still thinking around a little bit. Maybe there may be a twist. That's why not using it now. Just a little bit more. Yes, King level 11. It's more, but literally we are King level 11 as well because most of the cards for us are over level 10. Nothing is below level 10. So literally we are level 11 itself. Okay, P.E.K.K.A. It's too strong for the Electro Giant, that's for sure. Okay, 2 Electro Wizards. Electro Wizard and P.E.K.K.A. What a combination. I know the Electro Wizard doesn't deal area damage, but still, it's a very useful card. Because the Inferno Dragon or the Inferno Tower can defeat any card in this game except the cards which has Zap in it. That is the Zappies or the Electro Wizard or the Zap itself, even the Lightning. So Electro Wizard is one of those cards. It's a great card. Yes, we have done a heck lot of damage there to his Crown Tower. That's why we said now we were, not too comfortable playing with King level 11 players when we didn't take the Pass Royal before the last season. But since we have taken 2 Pass Royals, it's looking quite easier, that's for sure. Let's just put the Goblin Barrel now. Level 12, it's so strong. Yes, the minions are not going to do much. Yes, there you go. It did nothing to the P.E.K.K.A. because the Electro Wizard is protecting it. Even he has a P.E.K.K.A. I forgot to say that because we were playing so well. Our P.E.K.K.A. is much stronger than his. Level 13. Come on, Mini P.E.K.K.A. go! We are using it. I think you are not familiar with it. Sorry, we couldn't. I forgot to say that. But this Mini P.E.K.K.A. we are using it in place of the Lumberjack. Sorry, the Bandit. Just because of its attack, and we compared the Bandit with the Mini P.E.K.K.A. but the Mini P.E.K.K.A. had the higher HP and the higher attack, but it costed a little bit more than the Bandit, but we can just keep it. 4 elixir is quite less. Mega Knight level 11 Tesla, let's send it very front, but look at those minions. Nothing can be done to our cards. So we are using the Mini P.E.K.K.A. and the P.E.K.K.A. together. And our Mini P.E.K.K.A. is level 10. We got it to level 10 very recently. I think, not sure when, but our arrows. Yes. Come on, can we get 3 crowns here? Tough. We are not going to get it. But we won it against a King level 11, which is quite good. And our trophies are keeping increasing. Now we are over 4,900 and we have a reward to collect in the trophy road. And among the 2 epics, let's go for the Rage because Executioner. I think the Rage is slightly better than the Executioner. I just feel like that. So let's go for the Rage. We have gone for it. And now the next game, another King level 11 player, but we have the confidence. Let's wait for his move, or maybe let's go for the aggressive tactic. Let's send the Mini P.E.K.K.A. in the front. Let's wait for Still a little bit time. If he doesn't send anything, definitely I'm going to go for the Mega Knight front. Or sorry, the Mini P.E.K.K.A front. It's just like that. Okay then. Now, does he have anything like a skeleton army? As a tornado. Oh! Oh! Almost. I thought his tornado didn't pay off. But he had a skeleton army. Baby Dragon level 9. Strange. Our Mini P.E.K.K.A is very close to be level 12. I'm not saying level 11 because we have the rare book of cards. We have not used it yet. So if we get enough rare wild cards and Mini P.E.K.K.A from the shop or anywhere, we trade it in the clan as well sometimes. So from there, if we get those cards, if we get Mini P.E.K.K.As, we are going to get it. We are going to get 400 of them. I put all the rare wild cards we got this season to the Mini P.E.K.K.A. So it's in a very good shape now, and most importantly, it's going to go to level 12 very very soon because we are going to use up the rare wild cards whatever we get on the Mini P.E.K.K.A, and we have got a tower there. There you go, the P.E.K.K.A and the Electro Wizard, my favorite attack in this deck. What an attack! Look at those. Come on, come on, the P.E.K.K.A. One more. Oh, almost 3. That would have been a heck lot, and he would have been under massive pressure. These are already under massive pressure. This emote is awesome. The bowler emote. Let's just attack him with the Goblin Barrel. I want 3 crowns here. I want to get more gold from the bonus bank. Oh, the Goblin Barrel is doing a great job there. Look at the HP left, so less for him in his King Tower. Yes, let's finish it off. I think it can't, but yes, it does its job. Oh, yes, we have the arrows in the next move, so we are going to get the arrows and we are going to finish off the game here. Yes, come on arrows, go. Yes, we won it. The arrows does the finishing job and they are winning easily in these games. And a giant chest. Yes, a big chest finally. What a great episode this is again. 4946 trophies. Let's start unlocking it and let's queue the silver chest. Yes. That's good. That's real good. That's it for this episode, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Please like this video if you liked it. And please subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.